It's the branch mob with Branch Organics. Let's walk around. We're going to check on the watermelon.
Whoa.
And see if we have some watermelons growing. What do you see? I spy with my little eye. Show us. Point to it. Don't touch it. But what is that?
Maybe a flower?
Ah, that's not a flower.
A watermelon.
That's a watermelon growing.
Look.
And that's a small plant. It don't even have that many leaves yet, but it's already got
Look at that.
a germinated watermelon right there. Ain't that cool?
Yeah. You?
Okay, watch your feet. See it by your feet? See that vine coming out there? Yeah, be careful. Let's look around. Watch your feet.
Look at that yellow flower.
Okay, careful. Don't pick it up. All right, now let's look around. Be careful. Stoop down.
Look at that bigger watermelon.
Where?
On the ground.
Can you see?
Oh my God.
Look at it.
That's a
It's getting big, ain't it?
yeah.
That's
There's
one.
another flower
So
that's
that's
open.
1, 2.
Flower.
You see the flowers?
That one. I see that one that's open a little bit. And one back there.
What? A flower or a watermelon?
Flower. Look. There's a watermelon right there.
A watermelon.
You're growing a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Another one. Look. You
see them? What is that? A baby watermelon. Come over this way with me. Let me show you. So don't step on this. Let's move this over here. That raspberry. Oh, he done hit the ground. He was about to reroot. And
Granny.
okay.
I see that one as soon as we
Come over here. You saw it as soon as we came?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got one on that one out there. We have one here. That's 2. We have one here. That's 3. Now let's follow the vine. There's another vine right here. And look.
Flower. That's the flower I was telling you about.
What we got? Ooh.
Watermelon.
And guess what? It still got the flower on it. And it's still open. So we have time to pollinate it. But the male flowers are closed. They're closed.
Only 2 does need to grow.
Do we have any more flowers open? That's this one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got one that's open. So let's hand pollinate that other flower. Break this off right here. Pinch off this yellow flower. Okay. Now be real careful and peel off the petals. Don't try not to touch the inside right there, because that's where the pollen is. Peel it off all the way down here.
It's a baby animal, man.
Wipe it off. Did you get it?
He's flying on me.
Hurry up. We gotta hurry up. Alright, now we're going to touch that yellow part to the inside of this flower on this yellow part. Well, it's kind of greenish yellow, but you got to be real careful.
How can I be careful?
So just try to wipe off that yellow dust onto this one. Let me see if I can open it for you.
Oh.
Careful. Yeah, we can see in the sun.
Actually, Sean.
No, don't put your finger on it. Touch it. To it. Okay, wipe it on. Just wipe. Oh, careful. Uh-oh, did you break it? I think we're good. Alright, now that's all. We're going to leave it. And we'll let the ants do the rest. Good job. Now let's see if we have any more.
Now I want back an house.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't see any more. That's it. So we have 1, 2, and 3.
But that one's growing.
Where?
Right there is 2.
That's not watermelon. Alright, come on, let's go. Careful not to step on it. Come on. Alright guys, that's it. We have some watermelons growing, so make sure you guys subscribe to our channel to see if they make it through the end of the season and we actually get to pick some and eat some. That would be cool, right? So thumbs up this video and be sure to share. This is apartment living.